In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily enable or disable always on display on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to Settings. On Settings, scroll down a bit until you find Display and Brightness. And then scroll down until you find Always on Display. We can tap on it to open up Always on Display settings, where first off we can turn this option on by activating this toggle button. After that, if we tap at the power button, we can check how it works now. Now the display is turned off, however it still displays some information here, such as time, lock screen widgets, wallpaper and notifications. And also we can easily configure always on display feature. We can select if we want to show or hide wallpaper by toggling on or off that switcher. If we turn it off, it won't show us the wallpaper on always on display mode. And the same about notifications. If we don't want to show notifications on always on display mode, we can also turn them off. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.